the pizza out of the microwave.
Not looking good. Look what you did with poor pizza.
You squished it. No.
Frozen pizza.
It's raw pizza.
Like the dough is even done pizza. With raw dough and cheese spilling everywhere. Oh yeah. Do you need like a spatula or something?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Right there.
Here?
Right there.
Here? Here?
Yeah.
The big one. I need another spatula. Do you need help? You're breaking the poor pizza. It's dead. Maybe we should cut it into like fourths or something so that we can. Oh, goodness. The spatula only made it worse. Do it, do it, do it. Do it. Run, run. Go, go, go. Yes. Finally. An epic failure plus success. Look at the cheese everywhere. Look at the poor pizza. It's gonna be round and circular, like
It looks like Charlie the lobster.
Charlie the lobster from Jersey Shore. I hope you all watch Jersey Shore out there because that is bomb show. Hey, you knocked my camera. I want to eat it. Look at that, all squishy. It's squishy. Stop poking my squishy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She's snorting. Look at the microwave.
Look at the microwave. It's all cheese.
Look what you did.
Epic failure. Bye. Press another button.
It's not working.
Oh my god.
It won't turn on. Goodbye, people out there. Break it.
It won't